Hi there, welcome back. So in this tutorial you are going to see how to create a business email. We all know that it is not possible to run our email marketing without a business email, otherwise all the email we run will become spam. Okay, to create a business email definitely you need a domain, and if you have your domain then your hosting provider will provide you cPanel. And to create an email you have to go to your cPanel and then click on email accounts, and from here you have to simply click on create, and here you should put your username. Suppose my name is Tarek and my email should be tarek@tarek.com, because this is the domain and it should be at the last. Okay, then I have to put a strong password. Okay, there must be as lowercase, uppercase and number and few other symbol. Okay, then simply click on create and the business email is successfully done. Okay, and my email is created. If I want to check my inbox, then simply click on check email. Okay, this is my inbox and draft trash everything, and this is the configuration setting for my mail. If you want to control your email from Gmail, then this information will be needed. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to connect your email with your Gmail. Okay, then go back to cPanel and click on forwarders, and then simply click on add forwarder and put the username. Okay, my username was Tarek. Okay, and your email address, where you want, which email address you want to connect your business email with. Okay, this is the email I want to connect my business email with. This email, all the inbox, all the information messages I can see from my Gmail. Okay, then simply click on add forwarder and it's done. Now if I go to my Gmail and this is my business email I recently connected. Okay, now whatever messages come to my email, it will be there, it will be visible here. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really think it was helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, tata, bye bye.